Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to turn off Apple CarPlay on your iPhone, whether you want to disable it completely or just stop it from connecting automatically. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Inside General, tap CarPlay. Here, you'll see the list of vehicles your iPhone is connected to. Select the car you want to disable CarPlay for. Tap Forget this car, then confirm. This will stop your iPhone from connecting to CarPlay with that vehicle in the future. If you just want to turn it off temporarily, you can toggle the Allow CarPlay switch off for that car. This will disable CarPlay without removing the connection completely. And that's it. Now you know how to turn off Apple CarPlay on your iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and I'll see you in the next one.